How to set up Wix email. Hi everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can set up your Wix email. Alright, the first thing to do is to log in into your Wix account just like I have done here. And then once you're logged in, by the top right corner of the screen, you would see your design sites here, and then next to it you'll see site actions. Just click on it. Okay, once you click on it, a menu will be displayed here. Then click on it again to close it up. Then after that, in the search bar here, just type out inbox. Okay, inbox. So that is where we are heading to in this tutorial. So once you type out inbox, you'll see inbox setting as well as inbox page. We'll head over to inbox settings. So once you've clicked on inbox settings, you'll be directed to your inbox settings page. Now on this page, you will see a menu, right? Such as displaying notifications, channels, emails, profile, and theme. So click on the profile and theme tab. Once you've clicked on it, you'll take into your profile and theme tab here, and then just scroll down and then fill in all of this. Okay, your email signature, um your image, your name. Just customize this the way you want to. Okay, and then once you've customized it, you've added everything addable and the way you want it to be, you can click on send text email here to test it. Is optional. What I will advise you to do this to be sure that all of the things you've written here would appear. Okay, so once you've done that, next thing for you is to click on save changes, and that is it. Your email has been set up automatically. So this is how you can set up Wix email on your Wix account. Thanks for watching.